A while back, I bought this Crayola Critter Creator Fossil Kit for Gavin and his friends. And it's a really cool kit. We unboxed it and we were able to create cute little bugs really quickly. And we can you put them into these little containers to get a little bit closer view of them. I really liked this kit a lot. And it comes with air clay, it comes with all of these adorable molds. And I wanted to reuse these molds with a different material. So let's do an adult craft with this kids kit, which I think, because bugs are so popular right now, especially because of Bridgerton and upcoming Halloween, I think that we should make some jewelry using UV resin. So, what do you think? Can we use UV resin in these hard molds? Can we make more of an adult style craft out of this kids craft kit? I don't know. Let's see. All right, let's try with this little beetle. And of course, beetles have like an iridescent look to them. So I'm gonna be adding maybe some iridescent glitter here, this green glitter flakes. But what we first have to figure out is how exactly are we going to pull this out of this hard shell mold, because this is not made for UV resin. This is not made for resin at all. How are we going to pull this out of here? And my idea is that we will create a wire puller, essentially, so that it will give us leverage, but it will also serve as our jewelry hook. And from what I've learned in the past with these types of experiments is that when you're DIYing, trying to pull things out with leverage, you want to leave yourself some tails essentially on the end to give it a little bit more grip. So I don't think that you're going to need like a ton of this, but it is good to have it fit right into your mold. You're not going to put it directly in first, but it will go in on the second layer. So find the trick to these experimental things is to do smaller layers every time, because you just simply need to know that each of the layers is going to harden. And sometimes if you try and do a thicker layer than you should, it takes a while to harden and it just turns out a little bit funky. This first layer, I'm actually going to put in some green flakes because, oop, that might have been too much. There we go. Some green flakes because we've got to have an iridescent looking bug here. Make sure that our wire is sitting in there nice and flat. But this is gonna be key to pulling everything out. Essentially spot it in with a little bit of UV resin. People should be running to the stores to get this kit. I want to say that I did get this on Amazon on a sale. Maybe it was $20. I'll put the link in the description because I think that this is a fun kit. Oof. That was a little dicey there. Ooh, I love this guy. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Let's see if we can brighten up that area just by doing a spot of resin that we're gonna paint on. Oh, look at that, yes. Oh man, that is cool. Don't leave his legs, kind of a satin color. And then maybe, oh, look at that. It's like a magic show. Oh, this is neat. That is so awesome. Oh my gosh. So many variations you can do with these. You guys, this is amazing. I am so excited. I'm gonna actually do a few more reveals of some other ones I was working on. So here's a few more. All right, I'm loving this beetle guy. I bet with a little bit of resin, he is going to sparkle up even more. Oh, that is so neat. Look at that. It's like magic. Oh, that is so cool. Love this. This is so awesome. Oh my gosh, that looks like beautiful beach glass. That is so pretty. It looks like glass. This is amazing. I love that. All right, so I bought this awesome lanyard, bead lanyard at a Dollar Tree, and I am just going to hook on a few of my cute little new bug pendants because hello, adorable. Oh my gosh, this guy might be my favorite. So cute. Look at that. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna continue to make a lot more of these. I can almost guarantee that I could sell these for probably $15 if I included the lanyard. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. What a fun, clever little hack. What a fun DIY. I could spend hours trying to make all kinds of different versions of these, but I have to go. So here's my little bug haul. Oh, so cute. Love them so much.